I see this in a lot of art textbooks. I kid you not. I did not know what this was until it was blown up because it looks like an omelet on a page. All the values are so muted, super in the middle of everything. I really couldn't tell what was happening. The reason I don't like it is mostly because it's not something that you can just see on the first glance. Like, it's just not painted well to me. It's everywhere. It's all these art textbooks. It's a part of art history. You'll find a trillion images of it on Google. None of them are any clearer than the next because it's just not done well.
Can't you argue that it's a painting that invites deeper investigation on the part of the audience? I mean, that's not a bad thing.
I can't unsee an omelet now.
It really does. It has all the textures and the variation of yellow.
Like, it looks like it has the spices. It looks like it has like the nice dark
spinach.
Like, oh my God, Jordan, you're a genius.
Right? Like, it could have easily been an omelet. Like, why is it a kiss all of a sudden? I'm like, oh, there's a person in there? Like, maybe they're wrapped in the omelet. Maybe that's the whole part of the piece. I don't know.
I used to love this piece until I started to notice the guy's neck. The neck bothered me a lot whenever I started looking at this piece deeply at one point. Her feet, it made me think that they were supposed to be on a cliff. Is he about to like toss her off? I'm like, this is actually a really dark painting. Do you think there are certain elements that I like, but the Mark Rothko robe that he's wearing, random blotches of, that's his name, right? The one who does the square work. Mondrian. Who's Mark Rothko then?
Mark Rothko is the guy that does the big like paintings that are, you know, you just stare at them.
There's a lot of people that do that, Clara.
I don't know. How to describe it. She does not look comfortable. It looks like a really cringy kiss. People romanticize it, and I'm like, ew, I don't think I like this relationship.
It's like he angered her at dinner, and she's like, no, don't kiss me right now.
Exactly. You know, doesn't it look that like it is not a positive embrace? Counselor Chip says, omelet, I'm never going to look at this without remembering that comment. I kind of like this before now.
I have changed art history in one stream.